Welcome back to the channel, and after today's video, you may call me a fanboy, so stay tuned. If you watch my channel for any length of time, you've probably seen some of my rock crawling videos. But unfortunately, less than an hour's drive, there isn't a great deal of rocks for me to crawl on. So I've decided to diversify my RC collection and get a trail truck. I've looked at a handful of different brands and I've narrowed it down to a few. So I went on Facebook Marketplace and looked for those particular models. The model I ended up going with is a Red Cat Gen 9. And a special thanks to Kyle for selling it to me. So this makes my third Red Cat product. Like any other Facebook find, you want to go over all the nuts and bolts, make sure everything's greased and up to par. There are a few issues that need to be resolved before I can drive it. One of them is the steering knuckle is broken, the third link pulled out the rod end, and I want to change out the battery connector to XT60. The truck did come with 2 sets of rims and 3 different tires, but I decided to use the stock tires from my Red Cat Ascent. As you can see, I replaced the inner portal covers. I also cleaned and re-greased all the gears in the truck. I also took the time to clean and refill the shocks with 30 weight oil. For the third link, I did measure out the stock link and replaced it with Traxxas 5347 ends, 8/32 all thread, and I sleeved it with 1/4 inch polypropylene tubing. I also replaced a Dean's connector with an XT60. The inserts are from Zero RC and they were a bit firm for my taste, so I ended up trimming every other rib. Last but not least, I mounted the vented Ascent tires onto the rims. I also took the time to put some scaled detail into the rear of the truck. Stay tuned for the next video where I take it out for its first run, and thanks for watching.